This is the plaintiff, Khadijah Shepard. She says she paid the defendant for a neighborhood reunion which never took place, and no matter what she does, she can't seem to get the woman to give her money back. In fact, the plaintiff went all bipolar on her. She finds this whole thing disgusting and is simply asking for her $30 to be refunded. This is the defendant, Lisa Edwards. She says the plaintiff's downright crazy, but even this is a little much. The reunion was indeed held. She has no idea why the plaintiff missed it, and she's sorry, but she's not about to refund anything just because the whiffle-waffling woman changed her mind and decided not to attend. She's accused of not reuniting as planned.
Thank you, Douglas.
You're welcome.
Khadijah Shepard?
Yes.
You are suing Lisa Edwards for $30, the amount that you paid her for 3 tickets for a reunion you were going to attend and that, according to you, got canceled. Tell me what happened.
Basically, what happened was we grew up in the same development. I don't know the defendant personally because there's an age difference of about 10 years, so I don't know her personally. However, every year the development that we lived in threw a reunion, and it was free. This past year, the reunion was canceled. So the defendant and another person that lived in the development created a group for a reunion, for the purpose of having a reunion.
Okay.
Okay.
When you say a group, what do you mean?
Well, it was for the people that grew up in the development that wanted to reunite and
Created a group on Facebook?
on Facebook.
Okay, that's the part you weren't saying.
I'm sorry.
Okay, so created a group on Facebook, to try to drum up support to see if people wanted to do a reunion anyway.
Correct.
And then just pitch in?
Yes.
Okay.
So basically, it was everyone contributed anywhere from $5 to $10, depending on what they were doing. If they were coming to eat, it would be $10. If it was they were just coming to just be there, it was $5. That was my understanding.
Okay.
Okay. So I got in contact with the defendant. I told her that I wanted 3 tickets for myself and my 2 sons.
Okay.
I then sent the defendant a money order for $30.
For $30?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. The defendant claimed, she stated, because I have the message from Facebook,
Okay.
that she did receive the money. Fine. This was at the end of July. 2 days before the actual reunion.
Which was supposed to be on what date?
August 13th.
Okay.
On August 11th, the defendant posted that the reunion was canceled.
Did she say why?
No.
Okay.
And she also posted that refunds would be given back
Okay.
by the date of the reunion.
Okay.
Okay. So from my understanding, it was canceled.
Right.
So the day after the reunion, I sent her a message in the group because it was posted in the group. So I sent her a message in the group asking her if she had sent my money order. Has she sent it out? And it became a real big exchange, a big dialogue. Because I feel that...
No, but what did she say to you?
Well, she said to me that she didn't appreciate me basically exposing her to the group or blowing her up in the group. I should have inboxed her.
Okay. Oh, Facebook etiquette. Okay.
I should have. But my thing is, if she wanted me to inbox her, she could have inboxed me, and I would have happily responded that way.
Right, but when she sent, we'll send your money back, she was trying to communicate with everybody. But when you sent, where's my money, you were only trying to communicate with her, unless you did want everybody else to see that. But what you're missing a piece of the story here, which I know to be factual because I've read both your complaint and your answer, and that is, Miss Edwards, the reunion actually went forward, right?
Yes.
What happened? Why was it canceled to begin with?
It was canceled because these guys were supposed to come through with grills. No one was calling me. No one was coming through. I felt all alone. I didn't want to go out there, buy all this food, and I don't have anything to cook it on. So what I did was I called Tony, who's another person of the committee, who was the head of the committee, actually. And I told her, let's cancel it. We don't have enough. She agreed with me, so we canceled it. We didn't have enough. We thought we didn't have any grills.
Enough people attending or grills?
Grills.
Okay.
We really didn't have that many people.
Okay.
But because everybody wasn't RSVPing, they weren't communicating with me. And I was doing this for a couple of months. I was pushing the date back so people could give me the money so we can do this. When it became too much, I said, let's just drop it. We don't have any grills to cook.
This is 2 days before the party?
Yes, 2 days.
And then what happened?
Well, that Friday, Tony had contacted me. A couple of guys with the grills contacted, look, we still want to do it. We're going to go out there. We're going to be dependable. They were sorry they didn't get in contact with me. So I said, well, since I'm in the street, Tony was at home. She was at the computer. She put it on Facebook about 1:30 Friday afternoon.
So 1:30, the day before the event.
The day before the event.
Is Tony here?
No, she couldn't be here, but I have a statement
who are all
from
the
her.
people you brought? You brought 25 people back there. You brought they're just
brought my
friends, moral
daughter.
support?
Yes, my daughter and my friends.
All right, so
But they're witnesses, actually.
Did you ever see, so the party actually happened?
Yes,
So did you ever see that 1:30 message from Tim? What if she didn't go on Facebook? What if, I mean, isn't there a risk when you cancel the party and the person reads that and figures, I'm not going to check this group anymore because the party got canceled? Wasn't there a risk that maybe she, I don't know, was engaged in regular life that's not on the internet and might not have looked on the internet? I mean, I realize some people the children in my household are always like this, glued to every little update on Facebook. But some people are grown-ups and they may not be, and they may not check that again. So isn't it reasonable that she didn't check it? And why is it her fault and she has to
Okay, the
lose
reason
30 bucks?
why I say that is because everything about this event was done on Facebook.
Okay.
So everyone knew,
I don't blame you for putting the update on Facebook. I blame you for putting the update on Facebook the next day and saying to somebody, because they didn't check their Facebook apparently on a daily basis, hey, too tough for you. I mean, I understand that everyone was communicating through the group. That's the beauty of Facebook, is that it's easy to throw a party. It's easy to get support for something. It's easy to meet a bunch of people somewhere. I understand, okay? I'm not a Neanderthal. I just still also understand that humans may not check it all the time. So when this unfortunate circumstance occurs, that someone didn't check it all to see if the status changed. Let's see if they revived the party. That's a reasonable thing that she didn't check it anymore. Why shouldn't she get her money back?
Because I believe Khadijah read that notice.
And why do you?
I believe she read the notice because when she posted 7:40 Sunday morning, did you, what was the exact word? Was my money order mailed back yet? I didn't receive it yet. When I did posted it on that Thursday, 7 p.m.
Canceling
I said, yes, when I posted the cancellation.
Cancellation.
I did state that, I said, whoever gave me cash will get their money by Saturday. Whoever mailed me a money order, either I would mail it early or I would mail it by that Saturday.
When did you cash her money order?
I cashed it the Saturday before the reunion.
Okay, and so why isn't she entitled to her money back? I'm still not understanding. Why doesn't she get her money back? Because you believe she read it and she didn't go. For what reason would she not go? She wanted to go. All the evidence was there that she wanted to go and she wanted to take her to
Well, I felt she could have called me while the reunion was going on.
Wait, that assumes that she knew while the reunion was going on.
She knew the reunion was going on.
So, would you ever sue somebody, take the time and trouble for 30 bucks if you feel like they really just did you wrong?
Not for 30 bucks. Just let the pass go.
Anybody here do it for 30 bucks just on principle? If you really feel wrong?
No.
30 bucks?
No.
40 bucks? 100 bucks?
No.
200 bucks?
Maybe.
I'm just trying to figure out your price. Going inside the courtroom.
How do you know that she knew that the reunion was going on?
Because through the statements, the way she stated is that she read what Tony wrote. And she said that she should have not listened to Tony.
Wait. She read what Tony wrote when you told her to go read what Tony wrote. And she read it after the reunion was over.
No, I had put reread. I said reread.
So just because you put reread doesn't mean she read it before.
Well,
I just can't believe that over 30 bucks you made her sue you on something like this. That is a natural fallout of you canceling 2 days beforehand. This is silly.
You know,
there must be something else going on. Did she sass you?
No
Do you feel she embarrassed you on the group? Did she tell me about? Well, she says that you got mad that she, did the. Why did you blow me up? What I don't know.
I thought that was a bit ridiculous.
Tell me about that. What's blow me up? What's that mean? What am I?
Okay.
Okay, I'm not a Facebook guy either. Go ahead.
On Facebook, you could put.
She gave you a look. Yeah.
Facebook, you could put highlight someone's name.
Right.
So she put it on a page, the reunion page. The initial, okay, that's the reunion page, but everything I sent was through an invitation.
Okay.
She could have put it on an invitation, just like when I received her money order and it was ripped. I inboxed her.
Okay.
Lisa, she could have inboxed me. Lisa, can I have my money? I need my money back. I can't afford it, you know, or I didn't see it. She never did anything.
But what she didn't write on the wall, you no good, put your hand down, you no good, deadbeat, thief. She didn't say that. What she said was, did you mail my money order? What's so offensive about that? Lady, give her 30 bucks, and now her court costs. Verdict for the plaintiff.
Just hold on where you are, please.
Well, the defendant made the plaintiff sue for $30, and the plaintiff wins this case, and you lose it. You coming out of here? How do you feel here about this?
I feel okay. I made her go through this. I don't care. $30 is nothing.
So
it's just the process of what she did.
It wasn't the money.
It wasn't the money.
What was it then?
She could have contacted me. We did not have to go through all of this. We grew up together. You don't have to know me personally. I never did anything to her.
So why did we go through all of this?
Because she could have called me and, Lisa, can I have my money back? She knows she needed the $30. If you needed it that bad,
you trying to teach her a lesson?
Call me.
I mean, what?
Yes, lesson taught. All you had to do was ask me. We wouldn't have had to go through this. $30 is nothing. We had plenty of fun, plenty of food, plenty of people. She wasn't even missed.
That's the principle here. All you had
Yes.
to do was ask. Okay. All right, right down the hallway there. All right. All right, so come on in. You're over here shaking your head as you listen to her speak. What are you shaking your head for?
I learned my lesson. I won.
You learned it?
Yeah, I won. I learned my lesson.
All right. Well, this was about money for you? No, of course.
It's about principle.
$30.
It's not even about the money. It's about the principle.
Principle, right.
You know.
What's the principle?
The principle is she could have been an upstanding person and returned my money because she said she would.
She said her principle that she was trying to teach. All you have to do is call me and ask. That's what she said.
Why would I have to ask you when you clearly stated you would return it?
So what's the state of the friendship here and the
there's no
reunion
friendship.
and
There's no friendship.
the deal? A nice reunion.
No, that's a grimy person, and I would never do any business with her ever again.
Okay, Harvey.
You know, just FYI, if you sue somebody, you don't get money for your lost time, for profits that you would have lost, for research. So you really need to think about whether it's worth it to you. And that will do it for this case. Litigants for the next case on the way into the courtroom right now.